Midwives working within Queensland's issue-plagued maternity units have told Sky News they felt heard during roundtable discussions with the state and federal government representatives. It's the second meeting of its kind since March, as birthing services at 4 regional hospitals remain on bypass.
A meeting of Queensland's maternity minds as the system struggles to serve the state's expectant mothers.
Well, it's in a state of flux, to be kind.
And takes its toll on those working within it.
Midwives are exhausted, they're overworked and really struggling.
4 maternity units are currently on bypass at Biloela, Cooktown, Chinchilla and Weipa, meaning expectant mothers are being forced to travel several hours to give birth.
We are actively trying to recruit. I think our new workforce incentives will really help with that. So we're doing everything we can to get safe birthing services back to these communities. This lack of services in regional far north Queensland was top of the agenda during the 2-hour roundtable attended by the Premier, Health Minister, Federal Assistant Health Minister and dozens of industry representatives, all with their own suggestions on how best to strengthen the system.
They want access to private practice in the public hospitals. They want a repeal of the name and shame laws, which can name a doctor being investigated even if they haven't found to have done anything wrong.
We would like to have inpatient maternity ratios, which include babies in those ratios as well, and that will help with that workload.
Another $42 million is being invested by the state government towards expanding rural and regional birthing services over the next 4 years. But exactly where that money will be spent is yet to be decided.
That's what today was really about. So we had some great roundtable discussions, and the first question we asked people to discuss together in small groups was, how can we best spend that money in local communities? How can we get best bang for our buck to strengthen maternity services?
And while no official agreements were made at today's meeting,
the QNMU is very hopeful for the future.
I felt like we were heard.
Lucy Gray, Sky News, Brisbane.